I know you want to change. I know you want to better. But let me tell you something you already know. Nothing is going to change unless you change. If you want to change, if you really want to change, you need to make a statement. A statement that says no more. A statement that says never again. A statement that says today everything is different. If you are serious about change, you'll make that statement. Not a statement of word, a statement of action. Make today a statement day. Nothing is going to get better unless you get better. There is no planet in which your life situation magically changes without changing yourself first. But that's the problem with the word today. Everyone is waiting for their situation to get better. Before they get better, when this happens, it will better. If only this happens then, my life will get better. The time for waiting has passed. If you want a greater life, it requires a greater effort from you. Make today a statement day. A statement day is where you make a clear statement, not only through your words, not only through your declaration or intention, but through your action. You clear, this is how I am now. Whoever showed up before this day is that. Moving forward, this is me. From now on, this is me. These are my new standards, and I will not settle for anything less than these are new standards. You are strong enough to say no, and it's not because you are disciplined, but because that's not who you are anymore. Discipline requires mental strength, and you may will have that. But when you change your identity, you don't need to mental strength. When you change how you see yourself, you don't need to mental strength. You just act like the person you know you are. This is your new identity, and who you are is more important than all of those insignificant distractions. Who you are going to be is more important than all of those easy options. You have to change how you see yourself. You are no longer someone who waits for things to change. You are someone who gets out there and makes change happen. Change your association to who you are. Who you were is gone. Who are you now? A statement day is not just a statement in one area. It's showing up in all the areas. This is who I am now. This is my new identity. I'm not afraid to say no when I need to, because I know what is important to me. That's what you're doing. You are creating new identity through your actions. You are declaring who you are from this moment forward. What statement do you need to make in your life? What is must change area in your life? Do you need to improve your diet? Maybe you make a statement by throwing out all your favorite unhealthy foods, throwing them in the trash right next to the bin juice, because you know you don't want to get poison in your body anymore. Maybe you are saying that to your statement by declaring to your family or friends what you doing. It's statement day, baby. What are you going to do to shock everyone today? What are you going to do to shock everyone today? Shock everyone, including yourself. Push yourself in one or more areas beyond where you've been before. Set a personal best. Contact 5 or more people than usual. Read for 1 hour more. Meditate one more time. Run 1 extra mile than if you have more in the tank. Run another few. It's statement day. Who are you from this moment on? Declare today. The old me is gone. Gone forever. This is the new me. The new me has new standards. These are my new standards, and I live by these standards. I don't need mental strength to say no to easy option, because I know who I am. I know my goals. I'm clear about everything I want, and I won't stop until I get it. I will not settle, not one day. Now get out there and make statement.